Well, it's like, I don't know, just about 9 a.m. Headed out to go see a explosion, I hope. There's an old power plant by me that no longer is in operation, or something of that sort, and it's kind of like a well-known building, power plant in our area. Like, you know, everyone knows what it is. So they're blowing up a part of it today, so I'm going to go down and try to catch a view of that, so bringing you along. I do hope we get to, you know, hear some explosion or something. Apparently it's, you know, a very controlled explosion, demolition, but I assume it's still going to be pretty cool to see. Hopefully we'll be able to see it crumble. Hopefully we'll be able to hear some bangs and pops. That'd be cool. Otherwise it's just a nice morning ride. Pretty freezing, so probably won't be doing any highway rips or nothing, because it is cold. So alright, so there's a spider on here trying to get me killed. I'm over here trying to knock him off the whole time. I don't know if you can see him, but every time I knock him off, he just swings on his web and just gets back up. Let's see if I can get one more. Oh crap, he's gone. Alright, well, I was over there messing with him, and I'm like, oh, it's kind of funny. This dude's just like retracting himself right back onto my mirror. So I was like, you know, let me get a clip of that. First shot, man, he's gone. GG. It was a good ride, bud. I was gonna name him if he wasn't gonna leave me alone. Probably should have left him there, honestly, but oh well. Rest in peace, the unnamed spider. It's cold, man. I'm not used to riding in this 50-degree weather after been riding all summer, and oh, it's freaking brutal. Even though it's like only like mid-50s, maybe actually 60. It's just like there's icicles on my neck or something, like someone's just holding the frickin' ice cubes to my neck. Look at that sick ride. Gave me a head nod. I had to give him a head nod back, you know. Can't be rude, man. He's still on two wheels, right? Let's get to this explosion, which is actually scheduled for 9:30. What time even is it? Where's my button? Did I put this? I put my phone in upside down. The lock button's over here. Yep, that helps. 9:07. Good grief. Of course it's upside down. Wonder if I should go for a quick adjustment. Kick it in neutral. Turn her around. Slop her back. It's still early. I never even finished my coffee, so there it is. We'll get a better look at it in a moment. I'll show you which one. It's not the tall one either that's getting taken down at the moment. It is it's not the pencil, tall and skinny. It's the little short and fat guy. Wonder how packed it's gonna be down here. Oh my goodness, I'm not even close. Well, I'm close, but like to the parking. These are all people. I wonder if I can fit my motorcycle somewhere down there. Let's see. Yeah, they got it all blocked off, huh? All right. We're gonna have to find a different spot to park, because they're straight up blocking that. Alright, I wonder if I could just slide in here. You know what? I'm gonna try to park all the wrong direction so cars can fit in front of me more. Take up as little space as possible. Oh, that's, yep, that'll do it. Oh. All right.
They messed up.
Talk about it like tonight.
They know what they're doing. No more. Look at that big snipe.
Officer said. Did you see that around the building?
I wonder what William did. That would be cool.
All right, well that was pretty cool. Now the next challenge is getting out of here without getting trampled. Oh, there's a prime example, and I wasn't even on my bike yet. All right. I guess all these guys trying to get on the parkway right there on the entrance. That sucks. Okay, well, I had to pull over. GoPro just wasn't working. Wouldn't turn on, wouldn't do nothing. So I'm like, what the heck? I knew my battery was good. And it was. Just had to pull the battery out and reseat it, I guess. I don't know. Dumb old GoPro, man. But hey, at least it's a lot. The good thing about like fall time is maybe freezing in the mornings, but as the day goes on, it starts to warm up real nice. So starting to feel really good out here. And beautiful skies, sunshine. I mean, I was enjoying this ride. I'm like, wow, I really need to, you know. Alright, well, that was a lot of fun. I guess the kids got a fire drill. Ooh. But yeah, that was fun. I'm glad I went to go see it. I wasn't even going to go this morning, but I figured, hey, it's sunny. Nice chance to ride the bike. It's rare I go out in the morning, so got to see the thing come down. Hopefully it looks pretty cool on camera. There was one nice explosion I heard, but I doubt the camera picked it up. I was using my phone the whole time. It's a lot easier and probably better quality, zoomed in and stuff. So, but anyway, that's about it. And yeah, later.